Hello folks, in the last video we saw about features of S3 and some of the properties of S3. Now in this particular video we will see that how you can use S3 bucket for hosting your own static website. So first of all, let's see what is the difference between static and dynamic website. So static websites are those which use just normal static pages of HTML. They might use some images or some other documents. Dynamic websites are those which require an application server to be running, and normally they are associated with some database servers from where they fetch dynamic information as you go along. So as you know that S3 can be used for hosting files. So if you can host a file, that means you can host a static website out there on S3. So S3 gives you a feature to host your static website. By the way, you can use S3 for hosting static content even when you are creating a dynamic website. You can use S3 for hosting your image files, your document files, etc. even in a dynamic website. Having said that, if you are just using S3, then you can use S3 for hosting a static website. Let's go and see how to enable static website hosting on an S3 bucket. So we'll go to our bucket dashboard and we'll open our bucket. Go to properties, click on the static website hosting. Now by default, website hosting is disabled. Once you enable the static website hosting, then this is the link that you can use to access. However, when you create a full-fledged static website, then you'll first purchase a domain name, you'll do some DNS setting, etc. In that DNS setting, at the place of a record, you'll be putting address of this endpoint. To enable the website hosting, go and select use this bucket to host a website. Then here you need to put an index document. Index document means the page which would be your landing page. So name of the page which is your landing page. So let's write index.html. If you want to provide an error document so that in case of any error, this error document will get displayed, you can put some name here. However, it's not mandatory. There is optional redirection request as well. It is not needed at this stage. So you can go and hit save. Now only thing we need is index document which will be your landing page. So we'll just create a normal index.html file and we will upload it on S3 bucket and that will become our landing page. So let's create an index.html file first. Open a notepad and write your code there. So I'll write index.html, simple HTML code. So here is my file which is index.html and where I have written simple one line of content. So save it, and now I need to go and upload that particular file. So go here and upload the content. So click on add files, browse your file and select that file. Now you can just upload it. Now go to properties again, go to static website hosting, and this is your link. Try to access now your website at this particular link. Paste it in your browser. Now here we can see that we are not able to access that particular website. It's 403 forbidden and access is denied. So something has went wrong. What went wrong? Remember, we just uploaded the file. The file can still be private. Let's check that out. Let's go to index.html and let's make it public. Now we can go to Amazon S3, go to our bucket, go to properties, go to static website hosting, and we can use the same link again, or you can just go on the previous browser and just hit refresh page. So now you can see the content of your index.html is appearing here. So this was very simple. I just uploaded one index.html which is our landing page and I provided the name of the landing page. Now if you got large amount of file, you can just upload the whole folder, give the link to your landing page, and other pages must be connected through hyperlink, etc. To reiterate again, if you are really creating a static website hosting and you are providing S3 as your origin, then you have to provide this particular link as an a record in your DNS settings. That's all in this video of static website hosting. See you in the next video. Thank you.